Welcome my English GK channel. What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option B, 250. Who among the following was never elected President of Congress? The correct answer is option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which article was referred to as the heart and soul of the Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? The correct answer is option B, Article 32. In which case Supreme Court held that preamble can be amended? The correct answer is option C, Kesavanand Bharati case. It is not possible to obtain Indian citizenship by which of the following ways? The correct answer is option B, depositing money in Indian banks. Which of the following is not in the domain of union government? The correct answer is option D, health. When were the first general election to Lok Sabha held? The correct answer is option B, 1952. How many subjects are present in the state list of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option D, 61. Who establishes a river board on the request of the state government? The correct answer is option A, the central government. Who was the first woman to become the governor of a state in India?
To get more such important GK videos, subscribe this channel.
The correct answer is option D, Sarojini Naidu. Which article of Indian Constitution contains special provisions with regard to the state of Maharashtra? The correct answer is option A, 371. The concept of single citizenship in the Indian Constitution is inspired by which country? The correct answer is option D, England. Which of the following fundamental right is given in Article 21? The correct answer is option B, right to life. Which of the following is a political right? The correct answer is option D, right to vote. What is the minimum age laid down for a candidate to seek election to the Lok Sabha? The correct answer is option C, 25 years. How many members are there in Public Accounts Committee? The correct answer is option A, 22 members. The President of India is? The correct answer is option C, the head of state. The discretionary powers of a governor is limited in case of? The correct answer is option D, assent to bills. Who appoints and dismisses the gazetted officials of the union government? The correct answer is option A, the President of India. The power to summon the houses of the parliament is vested with the? The correct answer is option D, President. Which one of the following union territories has been granted with partial statehoodsip? The correct answer is option A, Puducherry. Niti Aayog is a? The correct answer is option B, think tank. Which committee recommended for 3-language formula? The correct answer is option D, Kothari committee. Dash is a particular area from which all the voters living there choose their representatives. The correct answer is option A, constituency. Who among the following Indians served as the President of the International Court of Justice? The correct answer is option C, Justice Nagendra Singh, who is also known as Panchayat President. The correct answer is option B, Sarpanch. Who among the following appoints Attorney General of India? The correct answer is option A, President. For which among the following periods an Attorney General is appointed in India? The correct answer is option D, any period which the President feels suitable. What can be the maximum number of members of the Lok Sabha? The correct answer is option C, 552. Which article deals with the procedure for amendment of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option D, Article 368. Thank you for watching this video.